Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Range Rover Key fob. You do not need any tools. You just need one of these 2032 replacement batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. First thing you want to do is take your thumb and push this side piece off. Now take your mechanical key and insert it right here. And just use that to pry the two halves apart. Now you have access to your battery. You can just use your fingernail here. Take the old one out. This actually has a 2025 in it, but the correct battery is a 2032. Let's go ahead and replace your circuit board. Just like that. Put these two halves back together. Put your key back in. And this slides just like that. And you're all set. There's no need for your program. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.